I didn't have time to do any editing of the old Severn Valley Railway slides, but for an easy job today I've picked some of 4566 from my photo gallery taken in 2006. First one is in the workshops at Bridgnorth in April 2006. Gordon is in the background. Next photo, rear end of 4566 taken on the same day. And then next one is 28th of November. It was on a loaded test run, and here it is seen arriving at Bridgnorth. As usual with me, I take several very similar photos, so it gets a bit repetitive, but at least I've got the photos. And it's getting closer and closer. Nice to get a close-up of the loco as well. Looking very smart. Yeah, about to uncouple it and run round and do another test run. Yeah, it's running round the stock now. All ready to depart on the next run. And now I'm across at Erdington Bank. See it running down there. As usual, several photos, all very similar. Nice one of the lamb near the camera as well. I wasn't sure where it was running to. I thought it might have been Hampton Road, and I went across there hoping to see it run round and depart, but it seems as if it went to Highley and ran round there. So I waited at Hampton Road to catch it on the return run, and as usual, quite a few shots of it as it approaches. I'm surprised there was no one else around to see it. And that was my final shot. Probably would have been nicer to have waited at Erdington to see it go up the bank, but well, I wasn't exactly sure what times it was running, how far it was going, so just made the best of it. And that's it for now. Maybe some more of the old slides tomorrow. Depends how time goes.